a pan turbo. You get this man here, Justus. You know what? He's gonna show you some action with this pan. This pan gonna be going places where you never been before. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I mean. What you gonna make?
I'm gonna make Hawaiian chopstick stir fry.
Okay, awesome. He has some beautiful steak here, frying up. He made some oil and he seasoned it with garlic and ginger. He removed it and now he's frying this beautiful steak. So, how's your instructors here?
They're good. They help you out where you need help. One-to-one learning. They're always here for your students.
So from what age do you learn how to cook? You enjoy cooking?
I actually started off after I graduated high school in 2015.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You see, showmanship is really part of everything too, right? Huh?
Now we're gonna add our vegetables, onions,
Okay.
and carrots,
Carrots, okay.
celery.
And celery.
And make sure you break up all your onion pieces.
Hey Justin, you married?
No,
Oh man, I thought you live on good husband.
I have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you see, Justin's girlfriend. Among us our keeper. You lucky.
I'm the cook at home.
You see? Yeah? You know, it's funny because I'm the cook at home too.
We're
And
gonna put some shoyu,
shoyu. Yeah.
sugar,
Sugar.
and a little bit of oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. You see, one of the things about you guys try to catch all the different flavors, right? You guys learned that in school, huh?
Sure.
Wow. So you
Baby carrots we got from egg.
the Culinary, they work very close with the egg class here in UH, and it kind of goes together, right? Awesome. Again, look at the pan. He's making some action with the pan. Hey, this pan is like, he's going crazy because it's the first time getting so much action with him. I tell you.
Cornstarch and water.
Okay,
Slurry.
okay, slurry. Boy, fancy word there. Where do you learn that slurry?
School.
Whoa! You had to use big words like that. Where? Oh, slurry. Yeah. Get some slurry. Look at that.
Picking up your sauce.
Wow. Put in some slurry and everything. Look how thick this is. Look at that. Oh. Hey, the thing looks really nice. Alright? So what, you eat with your eyes too. Alright?
The reason why it's called Hawaiian chopstick stir fry is because of the hinamona.
Hinamona.
Sprinkle this right on top.
But it look good. Let's see how good it's going to taste. This is the true test, right? Mmm! Mmm! Wow! Amazing flavor. It goes really well with the celery, the carrots, and the onions and everything you put in. Alright, what kind of steak do you use?
This is top round choice.
Wow. Oh! Amazing. Huh? Hawaii Community College students, they're amazing. You guys should tell your girls to sign up for the culinary class.
So they can learn how to cook.
Yeah. Awesome. Big shout out there. Awesome.